How to edit Grab profile picture. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can change your profile picture in Grab. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Basically what you must do is go into your account. As you can see at the bottom of your screen there are 5 different options. So the last one is account, and there you must tap into your profile picture or the green person in this case, and in the right top corner you're gonna find the option to edit. By now if I try to edit, this is gonna begin from the name and then the mobile number and so on. But let me do it again. If you are a member, you're gonna be able to change your profile picture. So you must be in the membership here to pay the membership in order to change your profile picture here in Grab. That's how it works. Probably because this is also available to the drivers, I mean the people who is working with Grab. So as you can see at the bottom of my account there says opportunities, drive with Grab, and obviously they are gonna ask you for a picture of you, and that's how you can do it. That's how you can edit Grab profile picture. By now I'm not gonna be able to show you the entire process because as I told you, I have not paid for the membership and I'm not working right now with Grab. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.